How to connect in LinkedIn. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create connections on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So in this tutorial I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're using computer or Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So what you're going to do is, first of all, open your LinkedIn account. So in LinkedIn, you're going to create connections instead of creating the traditional friend list. You got to just connect with people who have greater achievement on LinkedIn, and that will enable you to have better job opportunities and open good job doors for you. So what you're going to do is simply search for the specific person who you wish to connect on LinkedIn. For example, I'm going to search for this specific person, and then you're going to click on search, and now here you can see that this is the person. So you're going to click on this, and then you'll be able to see this option of connect. So you're going to simply click on connect. You can see that the person has 500 plus connections, and when you click on connect, a connection invitation will be sent to the person, and when they accept that request, your connection will be made. So that was basically how you can connect in LinkedIn. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.